Welcome. If you want to connect Bluetooth device to your OnePlus Nord N10 5G, at first you have to open notification bar, then click on the Bluetooth icon to turn the Bluetooth on, then click and hold this icon to enter Bluetooth settings. I'm going to connect to this device, to the smartphone, so we have to do the same. Click on the Bluetooth icon, after that click and hold it. Right now we have to click on the pair new device on our OnePlus Nord. And here we get the list of the available devices, and I'm going to connect for this Honor 7S. So click here, then accept pair on both devices. And as you can see right now, our devices are connected. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!